Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options. Then we need to select Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command. Type dir then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space .. and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon - boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.